All right, so that's on deck 13. Right now we're on deck 12. This is the social 033. It's for the teens. I think that seems to be Mariner of the Seas. It's been following us. Left for Perfect Day. Now we're gonna go over to Johnny Rockets. This is in a la carte or extra charge. Want to eat? So check it out. All right. They have outdoor seating. They also have indoor seating inside. This is deck 12F. They also have an arcade. This is Adventure Ocean. It's in this section. Also the arcade. So I'm gonna check out the arcade. So here's the arcade. And all the different games in the arcade. And we're gonna walk back out here. All right. This is Splashaway Bay here. Here on Freedom of the Seas. As you see, the bucket's about to tip over. Well, it might have already tipped over. People on the jacuzzis. You have an area over here for the younger children. This is an amazing area for your family to be. A mix of jacuzzis, the waterworks area. You have your little splash pad area. It's really nice. As we continue, I'm trying to head over to the dunes. It's a lot of people over here. This band is called the Hot Topics. Let's check them out.
Happy birthday to everybody celebrating now. Alright, we're gonna get up playing with the rock like we're
Okay, you can't beat that. You cannot beat this view. Man. All right, so now we're headed over to the Solarium area. Well, we're actually on top of the Solarium area. And as you see, there's a lot of people down there. It's only supposed to be, you know, in your family party, but obviously they're not following the protocols. But this area is the Solarium area. It's adults only. It's for 16 and over. This area has never been completely filled, but they do have a cool concept where there's a bridge and you see people there that are relaxing underneath the bridge. There's a bar underneath, the Solarium bar. And this is a really nice open concept. It's not closed off. I know some of the solariums on Royal Caribbean, it is closed off, but this one is not. And there's also a jacuzzi on the other side. And both jacuzzis is like a cantilevered jacuzzi. It actually sticks out on the side of the port side and starboard side. And then we're going to walk up to the Freedom Dunes because there's supposed to have been a miniature golf contest. So let's check it out. All right. As we go through, and this is a nice relaxing area. It's open to everyone. It's not age restricted. And this is actually a shower. And then you have the dunes, the Freedom Dunes. Really, really nice. Beautiful views. It's really, really nice. They have another shower over here. And then back to the other side. So I was just walking back and I noticed a lime and coconut rooftop. Oh, let's go check it out. Which I did not know this area existed. This is an amazing, wow. So the lime and coconut is actually on three different decks. 11, 12, I would consider this to be 13. You have some day beds, loungers up here. You have chairs, some more chairs, and it's not too many people up here. It's a really, really nice area to relax. And in the evening, these string lights, they come on and creates a really, really nice ambiance. But check out the views from here. Over the pool deck, the second level of the lime and coconut, just beautiful.